how you doing? I'm going for a ride with the wife, testing out the new camera that I've been wanting, the one I've been whining about all this time. So this is the first footage ever taken with my new camera. Well, I'm in Blandford Nature Center, just testing the new camera, watching the ducks. So nothing special. This is just footage for myself for testing. Haven't tried hitting focus at all on this thing once. I just want to see what, if anything, comes in as focus. Use some of this as B-roll. So let's just see what happens. Well, I hope this test footage is going pretty good. Well, right now, I don't have a clue what to say. Hi there, I'm in Blandford Nature Center right now, taking a little bit of test footage, trying to learn new styles of vlogging. So I might put a couple clips in here for you guys to see. I might just keep them for teaching myself how to do the, well, whatever I'm trying to say. I hope you've liked this video. If so, please click the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell for future episodes. And by all means, leave your comments below and have a great day.